Happy 18th birthday, anak. We are so proud of you. All I can say is just be yourself. You're amazing. On your special day, I want you to know that how much you mean to us, your families and relatives, your cousins and friends. Through all the ups and downs, wishing you a lifetime filled with love, laughter, and endless adventure. Never be afraid of failure. Be yourself, work hard, make sure you do something you enjoy in every single day. Put God first in your heart. Huwag mo kakalimutan magdasal palagi. Alagaan mo sarili mo. Enjoy mo ang pagiging pagkadalaga. Huwag mong madaliin lahat ng mga bagay-bagay na gusto mo. And be always independent in every single way. Maging matured enough ka na. I love you and happy birthday.